Using Venmo QR code from text is a convenient way to send and receive payments. To start, you need to have the Venmo app installed on your device and an active account. First, open the Venmo app and navigate to the person-to-person payments section. This is usually where you can find the option to scan a QR code. Next, you will need to obtain the Venmo QR code from the person you want to send money to. This code can be shared through text message, email, or any other messaging platform. Once you have the QR code, go back to the Venmo app and click on the Scan QR code option. This will open your device's camera, allowing you to scan the code. You can then enter the amount you want to send and add a note if necessary. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct before confirming the transaction. On the recipient's side, they will receive a notification once the payment is sent. The funds will be added to their Venmo balance, which can then be transferred to their bank account or used for future transactions. It is essential to only use Venmo QR codes from trusted sources to avoid any potential scams always. Verify the recipient's identity and the amount you are sending before completing the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily use Venmo QR code from text to send payments to friends, family, or anyone with a Venmo account. This method is fast, secure, and convenient, making it a great way to manage your finances. In addition to sending payments, you can also use Venmo QR codes to request money from others. This can be useful for splitting bills or collecting funds for a group event. To request money, the recipient will need to share their Venmo QR code with you. You can then scan the code and enter the amount you want to request. The sender will receive a notification and can choose to approve or decline the request. Overall, using Venmo QR code from text is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By understanding how to use this feature, you can take advantage of the convenience and security it offers.